Ever since I was a boy, I've been afraid of clowns. Their horrifying faces never fail to bring me down. The only thing more scary are sharks deep in the sea. I couldn't touch a swimming pool till I was 23. Still every night I thank each of the stars up in the sky. There's no such thing as clown sharks out there to make me cry. A world without that nightmare is a world where I can be happy and relaxed in an endless state of peace.
Than you feared, I can jump on 5 balls and then swallow a deer. I'm coming for you from the hell depths beneath. I got pancake makeup and razor sharp teeth. I use big clown shoes to chase you on land across cars with my jaws and my giant mud hands.
Oh no, please tell me that this is a trick.
Do I look like I'm joking? Just pray you die quick.
Did that really just happen? It couldn't have been real. No creatures ever wanted to honk horns then eat a seal. There's no such thing as clown sharks, and those are just the facts. I'm calming down inside and I can finally relax.
Clown shark! I'm scarier than ever. It's time for you to panic. My rainbow wing makes me more aerodynamic. I got big floppy pants and black eyes in my head. Here's a funny balloon shaped like you being dead. I use my sense of smell to locate you in the park. Then I drove here in a Miata filled with 15 other sharks. My jolly red nose is smelling blood in the water. Step right up for a feeding frenzy.
Circus of slaughter.
Ever since I was a boy, I've been afraid of clowns.